How to enable or disable PHP extensions using the CloudLinux Selector in Plesk. You can use CloudLinux Selector to enable or disable available PHP extensions in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged in. In the right-hand sidebar, click on the PHP Selector option. If the extensions page shows an error related to the native PHP version, change it to a non-native version first. There is a whole list of PHP extensions. The extensions that are already enabled are tick-marked and the extensions which are not tick-marked are disabled. For instance, let's enable the PDF extension and disable the mailparse extension. Now you know how to enable or disable PHP extensions. Thank you for watching.